So today we're going to start with grade 2 math. So let's start with grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. There you have to log in using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. So just go to aplusstudents.com, log in using your email address and password, and then you have to select the math from the subject tab. Then go to grade 2, and we are working on the very first chapter, that is counting and number patterns. And the topic we're going to start is select even or odd numbers. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points. Got it? The topic name is select even or odd numbers. So you are given with the numbers, you have to select which one are even and which one are odd. Got it? So let's start with the example. Which of the following pair of numbers are odd? So one of the pair is 1 and 5 and the other one is 4 and 6. So we need to see which of them is the pair that are odd numbers. Got it? So we know that a number is odd. We know that a number is odd. You can note down the definition if it ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Got it? And a number is even if it ends in 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Got it? So you need to see which one is even and which one is odd. So see the first pair, 1 and 5. Look if both the numbers are odd. Yes, 1 and 5, both of them are odd. And look for this second pair, 4 and 6. Here you have 4 and 6. So this is the option. This is the pair that is even and this one is the odd. Got it? So the first one is the odd. Okay. And again you are given with the pair of the numbers, you need to see which one is even. Now you need to see which one are even. Okay, the pairs are 9, 7 and 4, 10. Now you have to look which pair is the even numbers. Got it? Okay, let's check 9 and 7. What about 9 and 7? Are they even or odd? They are odd numbers. And what about 4 and 10? What about they even or odd? They are even. Got it? So that is the correct option, 4 and 10. Okay, on the top right corner you have a test button. Let's just click on the test button. Okay, math. Then we have to go to grade 2. Here you have grade 2. Then you have, oh, we are on the very first chapter, counting and number patterns. And the topic is even, select even or odd numbers. So then click on the continue button. Okay, here you have test button on the top right corner. Let's start with the test. Okay, which of the following pair of numbers are even? Okay, you are given four of the options: 2, 3, 6, 8, 3, 9, 6, 9. Let me write down on board. Okay, the options are, you have to look for the pair, both the numbers must be even. Got it? Pair means both the numbers must be even. So the first one is 2, 3, 6, 8, 3 9 and 6 9. Okay, just look at the first pair. What about them? 2 is an even number, but 3 is odd. That's not the correct option. Both of the numbers must be even. Got it? Okay. What about this one? 6 and 8. Yes, 6 is even, 8 is also even. Okay, what about 3 and 9? Very good. 3 is odd and 9 is always also odd. What about 6 and 9? 6 is even, 9 is odd. So that is only the option in which both of the numbers are even. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which of the following pair of numbers are even? Okay, just look, pair of numbers mean both the numbers must be even. So start with the very first option. So what about 4 and 8? Is 4 an even number? Yes, it is. Okay, what about 8? Is 8 an even number? Yes, 8 is an even number. So the first option, both the numbers are even. You can check the next one. Okay, what about 8 and 5? 8 is even, 5 is odd. What about 5 and 6? 5 is odd and 8, 6 is even. Okay, what about 4 and 7? 4 is even and 7 is odd. So the first option is the correct one. Both the numbers are even. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which of the following numbers are odd? So both of them must be odd. Got it? Okay, just look at the first option, 10 and 0. So 10 is an even number and 0 is also an even number. Got it? Okay, what about the 7 option? 7 and 9. 7 is an odd number and 9 is again an odd number. So that is the correct option. Both the numbers are odd. Got it? You can check the other two. 4 is even, 8 is even. What about 2 and 8? 2 is even and 6 is even. So that is the correct option which both the numbers are odd. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which of the following pair of numbers are even? So which numbers are even? What about 23 and 34? What about 23? It ends with 3. So 3 is an odd number. What about 34? It ends with 4. 4 is an even number. So the first option is not the correct one because both the numbers are even. Got it? Let's check about the second one, 12 and 89. 12 is an even number. 89 is odd. Okay, what about 46 and 80? 46 is even. Very good. What about 80? Yes, 46 and 80, both of them are even. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. So you can complete the test later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. Just click on the back button so that we can on the next topic. You can complete the topic later today. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So just click on the back button and the topic is even or odd numbers on number lines. Okay, let me explain first. Okay, let's start with an example. Okay, you are given the numbers on the number line. You have to select the numbers that are even or odd number lines. Okay, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Select the even numbers. You have to select the even numbers on the number line. And we know that the even numbers ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. And the odd numbers ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, we have to look for the even one. The numbers that ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Okay. In the 14, here you have 4. 4 is an even number, so 14 is an even one. Got it? Okay, let's check 15. 5 is an odd number, so 15 must be odd. Got it? Okay, what about 16? 16 is an even number. 17 is odd and 18 is even. So the numbers on the number line that are even 16, 14, and 18. Got it? Okay, let me make another number line. Okay, select the even numbers on the number line. And the numbers are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we know that the even numbers ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So start with, okay, 9 is not the even one, 10 is an even, 11 is not, 12 is an even, and 14 is even. So 10, 12, and 14 are the even numbers on the number line. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, we have a test button. So let's just start with the test. Okay, select the even numbers on the number line. So even numbers are the numbers that ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So just check which numbers are even. Is 10 an even number? Yes. Is 11 even? No. Is 12 even? Very good. What about 13? Is it even or odd? Yes, it is odd. What about 14? Even. What about 15? Odd. What about 16? Even. So the even numbers are 10, 12, 14, and 16. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, select the odd numbers on the number line. So which number are odd? Is 2 an odd number? No. 3 is an odd number. Is 4 an odd? No. 5 is an odd number. That means 3, 5, and 7 are the odd numbers on the number line. Got it? Okay, select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, select the even numbers on the number line. So which number are even? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and 15. So is 9 an even number? No. 10 is an even number. 11 is odd. 12 is even. 13 is odd. 14 is even. That means 10, 12, and 14 are the even numbers. Got it? So select the correct option. The first one is the correct one and click on the OK button. Okay, select the odd numbers on the number line. So which numbers are odd? 13 is an odd number. Yes, it is. Then 14 is even, 15 is odd, 17 is odd, and 19. 13, 15, 17, and 19 are odd numbers. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, select the odd numbers on the number line. So which numbers are odd? Do you know the answer? Yes, they are 3, then 5, then 7, and then 9. So 3, 5, 7, and 9 are odd numbers. Okay, select the even numbers on the number line. So which numbers are even? 6 is an even number. Yes. What about 7? Very good. No. 8, 10, and 12. So 6, 8, 10, and 12 are even numbers. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm moving on to the next topic. Just click on the back button so that we can on the next topic. If you need more help with the topic, any question, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is which even or odd numbers come before and after? Okay, which odd numbers comes the next? Okay, 3, 5, 7. Now you look. Now you need to look which next which odd numbers come next. So in the counting, right after the 7, which number is next? 8. But 8 is not odd. You need to look the next odd number. 9 is an odd number. Got it? So the number that comes the next odd number next, that is 9. Got it? Okay, which even number comes before? Okay, in the counting right before 6 you have 5, but 5 is not the even number. Okay, move back, you have 4. Is 4 an even number? Yes, so 4 is an even number. Got it? Okay, which even number comes next? Okay, right after the 24, which number is? You have 25, but 25 is not an even number. Okay, move forward, you have 26. Is 26 an even number? Yes, it is. So the number that is even is 26. Okay, on the top right corner you have a test button. So let's start with the test. Okay, which even number comes next? Okay, right after the 4, the next number is 5. Plus 5 is not an even number. So forward you have 6. Is 6 an even number? Yes. So 6 is the number that comes next to 4. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which odd number comes before? Okay, which number is before 3? You have 2, but 2 is not an odd number. You have to look for the odd one. The odd number is 1. 1 is the number that comes before the 3. Okay, which odd numbers comes before 1, 2, 3, and 4? Do you know the correct option? Yes, it is 3. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which even number comes next? 10, 11, 12, and 9. Which is the correct option? Yes, it is 10 because the very next even number is 10. Got it? Okay, which number comes next? 3, 5, and 7. So the next one is 8, 9, 10, or 11. So which is the correct option? Yes, it is 9 because 8 is not an odd number, 9 is an odd number. Got it? Which even numbers comes before 6, 5, 4, or 3? 5 is not an even number. Yes, just 4 is an even number that comes before 6. Which odd number comes next? 9, 11, 3, and 7. Yes, it is 7. Okay, which even number comes before Yes, it is 0 because only 0 is the number that is even before 2. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next lesson. So the next lesson is just click the back button. If you need more help with this topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. Got it? They are available Monday to Friday and 5 to 9. Okay, the next one is skip counting stories. Okay, each bunch has 4 bananas. How many bananas are on the 3 bunches? Okay, on the first one you have 4. On the second one you have 8. So that means you are counting by fours. You skip 4 each time. So 4, 2, and when you skip 4 the next time, the number is just add 4 to 8. So 8 plus 4 is 12. That means on the 3 bunches you have 12 bananas. Got it? Okay, each plant has 10 tomatoes. How many tomatoes are on 5 plants? That means each time you have to skip 10. Okay, on the first one you have 10. On the second one you have 20, third one 30, fourth one 40. So on the fifth one it is just add 10 to the previous number. So 40 plus 10 is 50. That means on the fifth one you have 50 of them. Got it? Okay. Each pile has 10 books. How many books are in 4 piles? So on the first one you have 10, second one you have 20, third one you have 30. That means you are counting by tens. You skip 10 each times. Got it? So 30 plus 10 is 40. That means on the 4 piles you have 40 books. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner you have a test button. Let's just click on the test. Okay, each box has 4 bracelets. How many bracelets are in 3 boxes? So that means you are counting by fours. You skip 4 each time. So for the first one you have 4. For the second one you have 8. So for the third one you can add 4 in the 8. So 8 plus 4 is, yes, it is 12. That means on 3 boxes you have 12 bracelets. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, each tin has 3 walnut cookies. How many walnut cookies are in 6 tin? That means you're skipping 3 each time. So for the each next number you are adding 3. So 15 plus 3 is 18. That means on the 6 tins, in the 6 tins you have 18 cookies. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, each tree has 2 sparrows. How many sparrows are on the 4 trees? That means you're skipping 2 each time. So the last one, on the third one you have 6. So 6 plus 2 is, yes, it is 8. That means you're skipping 2 each time. Got it? Each lake has 4 fish. How many fish are in the 6 lakes? That means you're skipping 4 each time. Got it? 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So for the next value you can add 4 to the previous one. So 20 plus 4 is, yes, 24. When you're doing skip counting, you have the same pattern of skipping the numbers. So for the next number just add the number, add the difference between each numbers. Got it? Okay, each drawer in the dresser has 10 scarves. How many scarves are in 4 drawers? So that means you're skipping 10 each time. So 10, 20, 30, and then you have 40. Add 10 to the previous number. So 30 plus 10 is 40. That means you have 40 scarves in 4 drawers. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, each closet has 3 coats. How many coats are in 4 closets? So that means you're skipping 5 each time. Got it? The first one has 5, the second one has 10, the third one has 15. So the fourth one has 15 plus 5 is, yes, it is 20. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, each necklace has 3 garments. 3 garnets. How many garnets are on 3 necklaces? That means you skip counting by threes. So 3 and 6. So for the next number you have to add 3 to 6. So 6 and 3 makes 6 plus 3 makes 9. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. Each pizza place has 10 waiters. How many waiters are in 3 pizza places? That means at one place you have 10. So you're skipping counting by tens. Got it? So 10, 20, and 20 plus 10 is? Yes, it is 30. Okay, each kitchen cabinet has 5 plates. How many plates are in 6 kitchens? That means you're skipping counting by 5. Got it? So for the sixth one, you have to add to the previous value. So 25 plus 5 is? Yes, it is 30. Okay, each plant has 10 tomatoes. How many tomatoes are on 5 plants? So that means you're skipping 10 for 10 each time. So for the fifth one, it is 40 plus 10 is 50. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, each branch has 4 peers. How many peers are on 5 branches? That means you're skipping 4 each time. So 16 plus 4 is 20. That means on the 5 branches you have 20 peers. Got it? Okay, each shelf has 2 bowls. How many bowls are on 3 shelves? That means you're skipping 3 each time. Got it? So 4 plus 3 is, yes, it is 4. You're skipping counting 2 each time. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is, yes, it is 6. That means on the 3 shelves you have 6 books. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. You can find these topics on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in using your email address and password. Then you have to go to grade 2, select math from the subject, then go to grade 2, and we are doing the topic that is the one just completed is which skip counting stories. Now start with the next one, that's skip counting puzzles. Okay, Mary started at 48. She counted by twos. Could she have said the 63? So she started from 48. Let me just explain. Okay. Okay, let me read the question again. Just listen to me carefully. Okay, Mary started at 48. She skipped counted by twos. Could she have set the number 63? Okay, so we know that she started 48 and she skipped counted by. We need to see if we have 63 when you're counting. So uh, try counting like Mary and count by twos until we say 63. Got it? So 48 plus 2 is 50. 50 plus 2 is 52. 52 plus 2 is 54. 54 plus 2 is 56. 56 plus 2 is 58. 58 plus 2 is 60. 60 plus 2 is 62 and 60 plus 2, 62 plus 2 is 64. See, we don't have 63 here. Right after 62 you have 64. That means you go you you cannot she didn't said 63 because 63 is not in this order. Got it? Okay, Lara skipped counted by threes. Started at 57. Could she have said the number 81? Okay, she started counting from 57 and skipping 3 each time. So for the next number, you have to add 3. So 57 plus 3 is, yes, it is 60. And 60 plus 3 is 63. 63 plus 3 is 66. 63 plus 6 is 69. Plus 3 is 72. So which number we have to check? 81. Okay. Keep counting till in 81 or we crossed 81. So 80 72 plus 3 is 75. 73 plus 3 is 78. 78 plus 3 is 81. That means yes, 81 is in the counting. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner we have a test button. Let's start with the test. Okay, Darnell skip counted by twos beginning at tens. Could she have said the number 30? Okay, she started from 10 and counting by twos. You need to see if she counted 30. So start from 10, add 2 each time. So 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Yes, that means she counted 30. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the yes and click on the OK button. Okay, Alexa began at 20. She skipped counted until she got to 50. Could she have been counted by tens? Okay, she started by 20 and she counted 50. So we need to see if she's counting by 10. Yes, because both the numbers can divide 10. That means yes, they are counting by tens. Got it? Okay, the next one is Joseph skip counted beginning at 28 until he got 63. Could he be counting by fours? Okay, 28 and 63. Okay, 28. Just add by fours. See if we have 63 in the counting. So 28 plus 4 is 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. 44 plus 4 is 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. 52 plus 4 is 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. And 60 plus 4 is 64. So do we have 63 in the counting? No, that means no. Okay, Lara skipped counting by threes, starting at 57. Could she have said the number 81? That's the one we did on the test, isn't it? Yes, it is. The correct option is yes. When she's counting by threes, she counts 81. Got it? Okay, Patrick started at 20. He skipped counting by fives. Could he set the number 38? Okay, so she started from 20 and we have to see if by counting by 5 do we have 38. Okay, start counting by fives from 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 37. 30, 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. No, we don't have 37 in the counting. That no, we are not counting by twos, by fours, sorry. Okay, Oliver started at 62. He's counted until he got 80. Could he be in counting by twos? Okay, so start counting from 62 until you get 80. You have to count two each time. Got it? Okay, start counting from 62 to 80. Okay, 62 plus 2 is 64. 64 plus 2 is 66. 66 plus 2 is 68. 68 plus 2 is 70. 70 plus 2 is 72. 72 plus 2 is 74. 74 plus 2 is 76. 76 plus 2 is 78. 80 plus 2 is 80. 78 plus 2 is 80. Yes, that means we are counting by twos. Yes. Okay, Beth skip counted by tens, beginning at 10. Could she have said the number 16? No, because counting by tens, 10 plus 10 makes 20. That means no 20. Okay, the next one is Nicole skip counted by tens, starting at 80. Could she have been said the number 86? Yes or no? No, because when counting by tens, 80 plus 10 is 90. We don't have 86, so the answer is no. Got it? Okay, Mary started at 48. She skipped counted by twos. Could she have been said 63? Okay, so start counting from 48 until we get 63. Okay, 48 plus 2 is 50. 50 plus 2 is 52. 52 plus 2 is 54. 54 plus 2 is 56. 56 plus 2 is 58. 58 plus 2 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. And 42 plus 2 is 44. No, we don't have 43 in the counting. Sorry, we have to check 63. Okay. 44 plus 2 is 46. Then 48. Then, oh, 58. We have 48 58 plus 2 is 60. Yes, we have 60 in the counting. But then we have 64. We don't have 63. Got it? Okay, Kelsey began at 40. She counted, Skip counted until she got 85. Could she have been counting by fives? Okay, let's check if we are counting by fives. Starting from 40 till 85. Okay, 40 plus 5 is 45. 45 plus 5 is 50. 50 plus 5 is 55. 55 plus 5 is 60. Then 60 plus 5 is 65. Then you have 70 plus 5 is 70. 70 plus 5 is 75. 75 plus 5 is 80. And 85. Yes, we have 85 in the counting. Got it? So you can complete the test later today by yourself. So we have done four of the topics from the very first chapter, that is comparing and counting and number patterns. Got it? So that's the very first chapter we are working on, counting and number patterns. And we have done four of the topics today. They are select even or odd numbers on number lines, which even or odd numbers comes before or after, skip counting stories, and skip counting puzzles. So if you need more help with these topics, you can contact at new tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.